Good morning, good morning. Morning, guys. Glad to have you on the live stream this morning. A little bit late today. Started off the morning a little bit late. Had to run a couple of errands early this morning, but I'm back now and ready to get started on the day. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, and typically the day before Thanksgiving, we start to see volume dry up really, really fast. Like you start to see volume dry up probably after the first couple hours of the day, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, you'll start to see the volume dry up quicker than you normally would on any given day leading into lunch. And then when you're coming out of lunch, you're expecting to see volume start to pick up, but it doesn't really pick up all that good. So that's something today that we need to keep an eye on because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So a lot of people are jumping on airplanes, jumping in cars, going for a drive, drive a few hours, jumping on an airplane for a few hours, going to see family for the weekend. And then Friday, we're open, but only half a day. We're open until 1 p.m. So, and then after hours is until 5. So then on Friday, it's Black Friday. You're not going to see a whole lot of volume in the market. I don't think I remember a single Black Friday where the market was even remotely good to trade in. So chances are this Friday ain't going to be good to trade in. So today, I'm going to step in here. There are some stocks on the gap scanners that I'm looking at, and we're going to start building our watch list together, right? So let's go ahead and do that. But before we jump into the charts, do me a quick favor, guys. Hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. If you hit the like button, it's not about vanity. It's not about, oh, look how many likes I got. It's about actually giving health to the channel. And believe it or not, the YouTube algorithm, that's what it wants to see. It wants to see like buttons and it wants to see comments. The Beast, what's up, my man? Good to see you here this morning. Let's go ahead and jump in there and get into the list here, guys. We'll start working on the scans. So there are quite a few stocks this morning making some moves pre-market. And we're going to jump in here and see which one might be strong, which one has some sort of credible press release, and to start making our watch list. We'll start making our watch list here this morning. All right, so all right, so guys, those of you watching who might not have seen yesterday's video, I'm going to put a link here in the chat section real quick. It's yesterday's video. If you guys remember yesterday's live stream, I said I'm watching the SPY for a break underneath 467. If we break under 467, I'm going to go after puts. And we destroyed it on the puts in chat with a 77% gain. Monster trade. I have the live trade recorded and it's on YouTube here. So I'm going to grab the link real quick and I'm going to post it on here so you can watch it, because we went over this exact trade setup. We went over this exact trade setup yesterday in the pre-market stream. So here you go. I'm going to put it in chat. Link to yesterday's recap video with live trade. This is the trade we planned in pre-market stream yesterday. Make sure to watch it ASAP. Boom. So there you go. That's yesterday's trade. Sebastian QLGN, it's not in the scans here this morning, so it's probably not something I would be looking at. It needs to hold the 200-day moving average right there around that $2 zone. If it doesn't hold that zone, it's got a lot of room to fall back down to 150. All right, so OCUP looks like to be one of the leading gappers here this morning, up 60%. BFRI is up 98%. Really good volume coming into this play. Let's go ahead and find out whether or not they have some sort of press release on them. Oh, really quickly, guys, just in, U.S. jobless claims falls to lowest level since 1969. New weekly claims fall to 199,000, far less than the expected 260,000. So BFRI. Let's check in on BFRI. BFRI here says Well, I had a press release yesterday. Reports third quarter financial results on November 30th. So it's just saying that it's going to report its financial results on November 30th. So that's pretty much all. Wow, that's pretty much all this press release is about. Doesn't even give you an estimate here. Okay. I mean, well, all right. All right, BFRI. Watching this 470 zone here on that one. BFRI, putting it on the watch list to report financial results November 30th. Watching for the 470 area to hold support on pullbacks. There we go. Blue skies over there. All right, so we got BFRI on the watch list, guys. OCUP is the next one. Let's see if that one, I'm sure that one has a press release. OCUP. All right, so OCUP announced, this is yesterday press release as well, announces enrollment of first patients in second phase 3 pivotal trial for Nioxol. All right, so announces enrollment for first patients in second phase 3 pivotal trial. All right. Now, let's take a look at this daily chart here and try to map out some levels on it. All right. All right, so these are some old lines. I've actually gone over this one in the past. These are some old lines here. I like this 514 zone right here. You have previous support there and there on it. And then you have levels of resistance right in that zone. The only thing I don't like about this is that then we have the 200-day moving average just a few pennies up in the 540s, which is where we're at right now. The 540s also has a potential level on the daily here. And that lines up a little bit better with that 200-day moving average because you could see previous support right there and resistance as well in that zone. So yeah, it's like the 520s to 540s area on that one to watch for support. Watching 520 to 540 area for support on pullbacks. 200-day MA lands around the 540 zone. Could have room towards, we could have room towards 6 to 7, 6, what is this, 6? The mid 6s to 7. All right. Towards 650 to 7 area. All right, cool. So we got 2 stocks on the watch list right out the gates here, guys. My God. Do I have that light on too bright? Seems like I have that light on crazy bright. Here, give me a second, guys. right, well, maybe that'll be better. I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't matter. All that matters is stocks. So let's get back to work here. Looking at the scans. We got BFRI, OCUP, GAME, GAME, not to be confused with GME. I mean, this is just ugly. Look at this. Big gap up, nice push, and then a straight up downtrend. The entire rest of pre-market. Does this even have a press release on it? Let's see. Yesterday, 17 hours ago, Engine Gaming and Media Holdings reports fourth quarter and fiscal year 2021 financial results. They had an increase of 253% year over year revenue. Yeah, they had some good numbers here. They had some good numbers here, but I don't know. This is just a nasty looking daily chart, a nasty looking intraday chart. This is just a disaster all around. I don't think I'm going to put this one on the watch list, guys. Yeah, I don't think I'll put this one on the watch list. Guys, those of you who are unfamiliar, we're in the YouTube stream. We have a Discord. It's free to join. Link in chat right there. You can join us on the Discord for free. Sorry, guys. My kid out at my door just saying, Papa, I'm gonna go play, man. I wish I could just play all day. Wish I could play all day with her. That's a crazy little head and shoulders pattern on this pre-market chart here. Look at this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. As clear as day. Here's your neckline. Bang. Look at the neckline. You break down under the neckline. This is typically the main way how I trade a reverse head. A head and shoulders pattern to the short side. Obviously, you have shoulder, head, shoulder. You break down under the neckline. You get a bounce back into the neckline. Resistance. Bang. Get short. Write it down. There you go. A free little shorting class. My shorting course comes out in January for yearly members at the daytraderchatroom.com. So if you're interested in that, hit me up or join the free Discord. More information there. All right, so IINN. Let's check and see if that one has any news. Again, yesterday, and it was, announcing third quarter results. I got warrants at $5.50 per share. So research development expense for the 9 months ended September 30th were 1.7 million compared to 2.6 million for the corresponding period in 2020. Marketing expenses were 391,000 as compared to none for the corresponding period in 2020. Net loss for the 9 months ended September 30th was 6 million compared to the net loss of 4 million in 9 months ended September 30th, 2020. All right. I like the daily chart. It's clean. It's not like these earnings were that good. At 50-day lines up around 320. which lines up with this little support zone from back here. Put it on the back burner list. Back burner, IINN, released Q3 numbers, watching for the 320 area to hold support. On pullbacks, could have room towards 450 to 5. $5 area. Let me take a quick look here on my other scanners. All right, really nothing else on those. All right, so nothing else on those. And nothing else on these. LGVN just kind of flagging here on the daily. This is actually pretty good. Today could be the type of day where this one just makes a big move again, simply because there won't be much going on as we go into Thanksgiving. But we are flagging here on the daily. I'd prefer for LGVN to just go next week, right? Flag today, Friday, and then Monday, boom, break out of that flag and let's make a run. But we'll see. We'll see what happens there. We might add that one to the watch list just to keep it on watch. Flush on KTTA. Oh my God, that's disgusting. That looks like maybe some sort of offering press release. Let's see. Let's find out. Oh, don't see anything yet. But I wouldn't doubt it, especially if it keeps dumping. That's a significant dump. That's disgusting. So LGVN, put it on the list because I think this one's one to keep on watch here for the coming days. LGVN, watching for the continued consolidation on the daily as it forms a potential bull flag setup. Needs to hold above 1450. Okay, so we got BFRI, guys. We have, which was the one that OCUP, right? Yeah, I think it was that one. I didn't write the ticker. OCUP. I think that's the one that says announces enrollment for patients in second phase 3. Yep, that's it. Okay, so OCUP. OCUP. I can imagine when we were kids how we would have used that before everybody got so soft. How we would have made fun of kids in school with that, like just messing around with our buddies. Oh my God, good times. All right, so we got those two. We got LGVN, we got IINN. All right, I don't know that I'll trade the SPY today. I can't imagine the SPY like just dumping again today. I mean, I know we have inflation data coming out today. So maybe it dumps. If it gets weak again, then maybe I'll look for puts on SPY again. $466.40 would be a level. would be a level to watch for potential resistance. Used to be a level of support. There you go. That's 465. 80. Let me see. Oh yeah, 466. 30 to 466.40 area. Oops, I deleted the line. Let me redraw it. There you go. That'll be a level I'll watch on the SPY today. You can see support previously there and here. SPY watching to see if 466.35 area will break down and hold resistance for further downside. Could have room down to, we destroyed it on the SPY yesterday, guys. In chat, my live trade is up here on the channel. I'll show you the link. Boom, make sure to watch that video, because we talked about a similar trade plan yesterday in the pre-market and we nailed it. All right, so watching that, we have room to fall. I mean, at this point, we got room to fall to 460, 465, 80s to 465. Could have room down to 460, 580 to 465. All right, so that's what I'm watching there on the SPY. That's what I'll watch on the SPY today. We got BFRI, OCUP, LGVN, SPY. I see some of you guys saying flush on OCUP. Oh, that's not a flush. There's no flush there. Just a pullback. OCUP is still intact. KTTA. Oh, wait a second. Was that the joke? Was that the joke like we were talking about? I'm starting to think that's what that was. Checking on Tesla. Tesla's selling off. Where's that 10-year treasury yield today? We were keeping an eye on it. That's how we were trading yesterday on the SPY. Man, that 10-year treasury yield has jumped up a lot. Really, really fast over the last 24 hours. We could see further downside today on tech and on the SPY. So definitely something to keep eyes on. I think I might just look to trade the SPY today. I don't think I'll trade Tesla. I don't think I'll trade Tesla. Tesla, you can watch the $1,100 zone to see if that acts as resistance for a trade idea. Oh, maybe I'll keep an eye on Tesla as well. Tesla watching for 1100 area to hold resistance. If so, it could have room down to 1060 to 1055. Could have room down to 1060 to 1055 area. All right, so we got that one on there. I think that's it, man, because overload the watch list. If you overload the watch list, then it's, you know, it could be a problem. You can watch Roblox against 120, Rivian. You can watch against 120, Facebook. I can't believe Facebook might come all the way back down to that 200-day moving average again due to this crazy jump in the 10-year treasury yield. Big jump, man. Big jump on that one. Oh my God, it's 9 o'clock already, guys. All right, guys. So I gotta run. I gotta head on over to the Discord. If you're not a part of the Discord, make sure to join right here. You can join for free. I'll put the link in chat for you. Free Discord. join up and come on over there. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Today I got on at 8:30. I had to go out into the real world and run a quick errand, but I came back at 8:30, jumped on here, and we put together this watch list here. We got BFRI, OCUP, LGVN, SPY, Tesla, Backburner, IINN. All right, so that's what I put on the watch list this morning. We'll go ahead and get that emailed out as well. So if you're not part of the email list, it's really easy. All you got to do so you can get the free watch list is click here, watch. Free watch list, sent daily and weekly watch list. Click here, scroll to the bottom right, and put your email. Boom. All right. So that's it, guys, for me today. Look, if we don't talk again, if you don't come on over to the Discord, which I hope you do because it's free to join, then I truly wish you and your family and your friends a very happy Thanksgiving. If you celebrate it, if you're here in the U.S., you celebrate Thanksgiving. A very, very happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the weekend. Today, be very careful out here. It's going to be a light volume day as the morning progresses and we enter into lunch, and then in the afternoon, because people are going to start traveling. All right, people are going to start jumping on airplanes, getting on flights, getting on cars for road trips. All right, this is going to be basically an extended weekend, even though Friday the market's open half day. So be very, very, very careful. Today's a day where resistance lines might hold up a little bit strong, where you see big flushes through support zones that don't hold up because there's not enough buyers. So be very careful with your share size. Be very disciplined today, more so than any other day, please. And just conserve your profits, protect your mental capital and the capital in your account. All right. And like I said, once again, I wish you and your family a very, very happy Thanksgiving. If you guys need to reach out, please, anything at all, hit me up via the Discord. I'll be happy to help you with anything I can. And, thank you very much again for tuning in this morning and hitting that like button and all the support this year on the channel. All right. So remember, today's Wednesday, so I will not be on another live stream. More than likely, I could have some random live stream, but my uniform live stream won't start again until Monday, 8 a.m. All right, guys. So once again, thank you very much for tuning in.